Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to your own channel Civil Engineering 54 with a new lecture. In today's lecture we will discuss about some basics units conversion of mass or weight. So friend, before starting our lecture, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get notification about other civil engineering videos. Well, let's start our today's lecture. In the field of civil engineering, the term mass and weight are considered as the same. So if we talk about the mass or if we talk about the weight, it means that we are talking about the same quantity. So in our today lecture, we will take some basics unit conversion, and on the basis of that unit conversion, we will solve some numericals. And after solving that numerical, you will be able to convert every types of unit conversion related to mass or weight. So the first basic conversion is that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. The second one is that 1 kg is equal to 2.204 lbs. The lb represents pound, which is the unit of mass. The third one is that 1 ton is equal to 1000 kgs. The fourth one is that 1 ton is equal to 2204 lbs. So these are the basic units conversion, and on the basis of these basic unit conversion we will solve some numerical. Well, let's start our examples. Our first example is that convert 5 kgs into lbs. So in this example we will convert a quantity from kgs to lb, means from kgs to pound. So as we know that 1 kg is equal to 2.204 lb, and here we are going to convert 5 kg into lb. So we will assume that 5 kg is equal to x lbs. So now we will apply a basic rule which is called cross multiplication. By applying cross multiplication we will get that 2.204 multiplied by 5 is equal to x multiplied by 1, and anything multiplied by 1 is equal to that quantity. So therefore I write here only x. Now to calculate the value of x, now by using calculator we will get x is equal to 11.02 lbs, which means that 5 kg is equal to 11.02 lbs. Now to solve another example which says that convert 2600 kgs into tons, and dear friend, we know that 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg, and here in the numerical we are going to convert 2600 kgs into tons. So we will assume that x ton is equal to 2600 kgs. Now by applying the cross multiplication we will get 1 multiplied by 2600 is equal to x multiplied by 1000, and here we have to calculate the value of x. Now to calculate the value of x we will rearrange the equation. So to calculate the value of x will be equal to 2600 divided by 1000. So after calculation we will get x is equal to 2.6 ton, which means that there are 2.6 tons in 2600 kgs. So friend, this was our today lecture. If you like today lecture, please like this video and share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Also press the bell icon to get notification about other civil engineering videos.